Chapter 3, Lecture 3, Social Life in Ganrajya. During excavations, the archaeological department found that people lived in a simple houses. They reared cattle and grew crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, beans. Many clay vessels have been found, which is an evidence of widespread use of pottery. Clay vessels here you see the decorative clay vessels were probably called dushar patra. Here dushar patra. Some the kings of the states of that time used different ways to defend their states. The capitals of the state were fortified with strong and high walls, built of bricks and stones. The brick wall found in Allahabad is approximately 2500 years ago. The king undertook the building of forts not just for defense but also to help people earn livelihood. The Mahajanpadas at that time required huge armies and strong fort to defend themselves. They collected taxes from the people to fulfill their requirement. On that time, they also collect taxes. Here, farmers gave one sixth part of their produce to the royal treasury. The skilled worker offered to work voluntarily for a day for the state. Cattle and sheep herders paid taxes in the form of animals and animal products. Traders gave tax on goods bought and sold. There were noteworthy changes in agricultural practices during the time of Mahajanpadas. Now you see brick wall of fort. The use of iron plough brought changes in the agriculture and helped the farmers in producing good crops. Now you see, today tractor is used to in farming, and now on that time plough, iron plough use. Earlier the farmers sowed seeds and later learned a new technique of sowing sapling, which brought about innovative changes in agricultural method. Now you see, last point, the other states desired to have great empires and challenged the increasing strength of the republican states. It was difficult for them to win over the strong Vajji Sangh, as during wars all the people of the Sangh fought unitedly. The rulers of the monarchical Janpadas sowed seeds of the jealousy, animosity, and hatred to weaken the republics. Finally, the Vajji Sangh disintegrated, and the ambition of Magad to become the most powerful Mahajanpad was fulfilled. Even today, when we talk about democracy and national integration, we remember the Ganrajya of Vajji Sangh. Now, exercise I will give in Google Classroom.